Hello everyone, in this lesson we will learn how to do shake effect like that in the Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have prepared clip and the music in the timeline, and first of all we will put markers where the shake will be. We put playhead in the beginning of the clip and listen to the music, and where is the beat we put marker in. Shortcut for the marker is the M button. So we put down the markers and now we can start the effect. First of all, we need to create adjustment layer. For that we need to go to the project panel, click on the new item and choose adjustment layer. Press OK, drag and drop it on the top of our clip. After that we need to look for our effect directional blur. Drag and drop this effect on our adjustment layer. And in the effect controls, change blur length to 30, 40 or 50. It depends how you like the picture that you get. I have 39 for example. Put playhead in the beginning of our clip and make cuts. Step forward one frame and make cut. Another one and make cut. And do it few times. And now we delete some frames. Three frames is just all we need. Let's see what we have. And now we just duplicate the effect. Press on the next marker, choose our adjustment layer frames, hold down Alt key or an Option key on the Mac and drag them to another marker. And just do it with all markers. And that's all. Our bass shaking effect is ready. He will look great in the music videos. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to the channel and wish you a nice day.